Mirurungano iria iri gatauni ya Murang'a ni kumwenya nake ciaingirire cigithukangia biacara ciene undu uria watwarire onjoria hathara nene. No rita riri ahuri biacara hamwe na atwarithia bodaboda maugite angikorwo mirurungano ni igakinyanirio muthi wa rucio matigetikiria biacara ciene ithukangio.
Yoyote atapatikana kwa maandamano akishikwa asiyo hatua kali sana, kwa sababu hiyo maandamano si yetu, haina faida, inatuharibia maisha. So mimi ningependa kumuuliza wana bodaboda mahali popote mko Murang'a County, tafadhali hiyo siku kama utaona hakuna customer, kaa kwa nyumba. Usitokee, usitumiwa vibaya na wanasiasa, usiambiwe utapewa 500, kaa kwako nyumbani.
Ni uhoro hinyiriirio ni County Commissioner wa Murang'a Hassan Bure uria ugite mbuto ya ugitiri icemba gukagitira biacara na mioyo ya Kenya.
Let us exercise our constitutional right responsibly. Let us express our opinions, whether political or not, in a very civil manner within the framework of laws that are existent, the constitution and other laws and statutes that guide us. We are all citizens. This is our country.
Atongoria guku nao makoretwo makihinyiriria borithi gukoragwo me maitho hindi yothe ya mirurungano niguo kuhitana na nyanake iria bata wao koragwo kwananga na guthukangia indo cia muingi.
When these JCs go into the streets on 25th, I would ask the government just to escort them, give them security, so that they can be able to say what they want and go from one place to the other, from where they will start to the point where they would like to take their grievances.
We have got a value system. Let us love our brother. Let us be our keepers proper. Our brother's keeper. Let us ensure that at least we protect each other. Let us build our nation.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor